My name's Sam Waldron. I'm the Principal Civil Engineer within Thiess Australia Mining. The focus of my role is on managing water infrastructure and requirements on our operating mine sites and our forecast tender sites as well. As a part of the infrastructure with mining, we manage the clean water that's actually flowing towards the sites. We manage the brown water which is contained on sites and what runs off our rehabilitation dumps, and obviously our process water and pit water that gets pumped out of our operating pits so that we can keep our mining operations going. What interests me in the resources sector was the opportunity to work in various locations within Australia and be exposed to many different mining operations, not necessarily only coal, but exposure to metals mines and iron ore in WA. Following high school, I studied at the University of Queensland, and I did a Bachelor of Science degree specialising in land resource management. That led me into the career of Department of Natural Resources in the irrigation sector. What I like most about my workplace is being actually exposed to several different facets of engineering and exposure to, from a junior level right through to senior level, of what we actually do in the mining sector. The day-to-day activities that I'm responsible for are managing our direct reports that actually in turn look after several of our sites in regards to a site support manner. The highlights of my role are being in a position where I can actually utilise my skills to the benefit of the actual projects, and seeing real benefit and real gain out of the projects in both financially and also operational perspective. Some of the comparisons I can make within the resources sector compared with both agricultural and civil is certainly a safety focus and a production focus. People in the resources sector are quite diverse, bringing several different skill sets to the organisation. So that's actually really encouraging, and you continue to learn a lot through those other specialisations within the field. The next steps within my career would be to move up into a management role where we're responsible and have a greater responsibility for some of the pre-planning and the programming activities within the mining sector. I would give young people the advice to study in the field where they actually want to focus in, and then also get a site experience, whether that be both voluntary or in a vocational role. And that experience is key, and it needs to be site-based up